Everyone, I am Sowmiya pursuing BE CSE third year in Sethu Institute of Technology. We are going to see about risk-based testing. Now let's see the agenda of this topic. Risk-based testing, objectives of risk-based testing, when we do risk-based testing, how to do risk-based testing process, advantages of risk-based testing. Now let's see risk-based testing. Before seeing about risk-based testing, you have to know about risk. Risk is the possibility of negative or undesirable outcome or event. We need to handle risk by doing risk-based testing because if it happens, then it may cause very negative impact. In risk-based testing, we organize our testing effort based on the risk level of risk item identified during the risk analysis. Let's see objectives of risk-based testing. To check when and how to use risk-based testing. To identify the advantages and disadvantages of risk-based testing. To understand steps of implementing of risk-based testing. To produce risk-free project. Now let's see when we do risk-based testing. Projects having time, resources, budget, constraints, etc. we will go for risk-based testing. When we need detect vulnerabilities to SQL injection attacks, we will go for risk-based testing. While conducting security testing for incremental and iterative models, we will go for risk-based testing. Now let's see how to do risk-based testing. Prioritize the list of risks before doing risk-based testing. Perform testing activities on each and every feature to explore the each risks. Adjust your test efforts to stay focused on the current testing. Now let's focus on risk-based testing process. First one is risk identification. Risk identification can be done through brainstorming, interviewing, cost and effort diagram, and domain expert. Second one is risk analysis. Risk analysis is once the list risk has been identified, the next is to analyze them and to filter the risk based on the priority. Third one is risk response planning. Risk response planning is risk-based planning includes both mitigation for testing to give chances to decrease the likelihood of faults, especially high impact faults, and contingency for testing to know work around to create the defect what to get past as less painful. The last one is risk monitoring and control. This can be achieved risk reassessments. Now let's see the advantages of risk-based testing. Test reporting always takes place in risks. Improve customer satisfaction. Risk can be continuously monitored. Testing can be focused against probleming areas. Critical features are tested. All of the critical features are tested in risk-based testing. Thank you for watching.